Hi, my name is Mitch Free. I'm the CEO and the owner of ZYCI CNC Machining based in Atlanta, Georgia. I started ZYCI in 2014, and I think we have a little over 20 Okumas now, from turning, multitasking through 5-axis milling. This is actually my fourth business. I've been a serial entrepreneur and in a number of industries, but started my career as a machinist and have always had a passion for manufacturing.
What was the deciding factor in making that first Okuma purchase?
So the differentiator becomes trust, partnership, and who's going to be there. And the Okuma team just made me feel like these are people that I can trust. We had shared values, we had shared culture, and that they were going to be there with me for the long haul. And that's proven very true.
Now, what's your experience been with working with your local Okuma distributor?
It's been really good. Our sales representative is super knowledgeable, came from a machining background, great domain expertise. And that has been really, really key for us is we wanted to deal with a salesperson and a technical team that had gotten their hands dirty, that's been there. And so the team that we deal with at Okuma, they've done it. They've walked in our shoes. They've made parts before.
If you had to describe the support from both your distributor team as well as the Okuma team in just 3 words, what 3 words would you pick?
They really care.